So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB biology exam revision series, we just have only one question here to answer. So this is we're still on evolution, and in today's video we'll focus on the class Insecta. So in short to stay to the end of this video so that you grab everything. It's just one question, like I said. So the question here says, the following insects undergo incomplete metamorphosis except A. Termites, B. Cockroaches, C. Butterfly, D. Grasshopper. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's the butterfly. All these other insects actually undergo incomplete metamorphosis apart from the butterfly. The butterfly undergoes complete metamorphosis and therefore is exceptional in this. So the answer to this question is option C. So what's this complete and incomplete metamorphosis? It actually has to do with the life stages or life cycle of these organisms. Basically, for an organism like the butterfly, it undergoes complete metamorphosis. So it have life stages like egg, larva, pupa, and then adults. So it completes these 4 life stages. Whereas for an organism that has incomplete metamorphosis, it only completes 3 stages, which will include egg, nymph, and adult. So in this case, it is incomplete because it did not reach up to the 4 life stages. So guys, that is the concept of complete and incomplete metamorphosis. So organisms like termites, cockroach, and grasshopper undergo incomplete metamorphosis, whereas the butterfly undergoes complete metamorphosis. So guys, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you also have any question regarding this video, feel free to drop it on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, ensure to share this video with your friends to enable us to reach out to more people. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.